Hey guys, my name is Pedro Diaz. I'm with Vivid Clear Glass. We're here in Miami, and as you can see, graffiti is a big problem. So we have developed a proprietary process to get rid of this. So in this process, what we do is we sand down the glass. Nice and even finish. Once that's all sanded out, then we come in and we polish it back to clear. Unfortunately, once we finish this process, there's no guarantee that it's not going to come back because it's out of our hands. So how do we prevent this from happening again? Well, we've developed a product called Graffiti Guard, which acts as a shield. So once applied, graffiti will not adhere to the glass any longer. I'm Pedro Diaz from Vivid Clear Glass.